Hello friends, this is one of the house designed for one of my friend. It's consisting of 22 feet by 68 feet plot. So you can see in this house, if I see some main entrance in the ground floor, then you can see we go down. There's a small porch about 9 feet 11 inches by 16 feet, excluding the steps. So steps are going up from here. We will enter in the main house. Then we can go the staircase upside. On this side, you can see there is an entrance with a small steps and to the drawing room with a small toilet, attached toilet. So when we went from here, we see a small, big hall, not small, it's a medium size hall, 20 foot 6 inches by 11 foot 10 inches in this area. And this area is also used for dining or sitting or anything. The small kitchen about 10 feet 3 inch by 8 feet. Then we go the rear side, you can see two bedrooms, 9 feet 11 inches by 14 feet, 9 feet 11 inches by 11 inches by 14 feet. Then there are two bathrooms in the rear side with a center opening for the ventilation purpose. This is a ground floor. So then we see the first floor. As we go the stairs upside, so we can see an open to sky above the porch area. Then the small open balcony. Then we go inside. This is a bedroom and this is a bathroom for this bedroom. And when we enter from here, you can see same size of hall as the ground floor, one kitchen, and in the rear side, same as the ground floor, there are two bedrooms with the two attached bathrooms. So this is a simple plan for a house. So you can have a look over it. It will surely help you for your work or any kind of design. So stay in touch for such nice videos. Thank you.